Are you getting frame drops even though your CPU and GPU usage stay low? Don't worry, you are not alone. Thousands of PC gamers on Reddit and forums faced the same issue, and these fixes have actually worked for most of them. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps that finally stopped the frame drops and made the gameplay smooth again, even on older PCs. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it, select the system and security, select the system, select advanced system settings, under performance select settings, go to advanced tab, under virtual memory select change, uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In drive list, select C drive and select a custom size option. In installer size and maximum size, you just need to type 4096. Same value in maximum size 4096. After setting it, select the set option and it will be saved in under paging file size. And if you have other drives listed, then select the drive and select no paging file for other drives, and then click on OK and select OK and select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.